That shit was good. Niggas was just eating some motherfucking whole grain of cheddar Pringles. Shit is crazy. Get on the way. Yo, I'm about to lose my mind. I'm on the psycho flow. How the mic just go? How your wife just go from you to me? You to me, you to see, make believe, cause I be making believe that this shit be really happening, and then it just be happening, the picture just be capturing, what the map is, capture is, back to me, back to Smokey up on this track, back to me about on this black, about to me about pushing this crack for to lose my mind, children, about to lose my time, I'm about to go on grind,
yeah. It's about 36 at night, niggas already know it's about that time at night. About to go and get themselves, make them niggas go to hell. And you already know, might end up in the cell. But it's alright my nigga, cause I'm making that money. Hustling real hard nigga, making that money. Got them 20 bills, $100 bills, even $1,000. That's custom made money, is it a problem? Yeah. It's about that fucking time. What the fuck y'all niggas know? Yeah, I got my 9. And I'm about to show these niggas how to be blind. Cause all my jewels rhyme with this rhyme. Right now, bitch, about that time. Understand, Ace? Tell them it's 9. And now you see me on the top line. Understand, motherfucker, it is our time.
Yeah. I'm about to tell them, yeah, it's our time. Be trucking, nigga. We on the grind, fuck it, nigga. We bustin', nigga. Nothing, nigga. You a nothing, nigga. I'm about something, about my cheese, I'm about my green, call it cheese and broccoli. Stop playing with your boy. I'm spraying to your boy. If you're saying to your boy, I'm staying with your boy. Son Smokey, about to smoke them niggas, about to chill, cause I'ma provoke them, hold them in the fucking struggle. Yeah, you gon' move nowhere, cause you're in the hustle, nigga, growing, nigga.
I'm about to smoke them, yeah, fucking choke them. Hit them in the chokehold, then fucking blow them. I don't give a motherfucker, got my shotty on. Niggas try to front, then you know somebody's getting bodied on. Or tonight, motherfucker, it's about time. About to show these niggas how to go ahead and fucking rhyme. About to show y'all niggas how to flew when it's my time. Understand, that's M-O-K-E-Y is mine. Understand, yeah, it's about that time. Eating broccoli, macaroni and cheese, it's about time. Cornbread if you wanna add an extra side. Motherfucker, where my collard greens at? Extra blind.
Niggas better get back on the groove, boy. I'm about to go in the crib and get the tune, boy. Cause they getting real crazy on the block. I'ma spray the whole shit. Baby on the block, 80 on the block, 80 on the block. What you gonna do, nigga? Pop 80 ain't a stop. And you're hard in the house. The house to it ain't gonna do a knot.
It's about that time. Ace finished telling them it's about time. Go ahead and spit it before the time stops. Before we go ahead and make this whole shit drop.
Listen, I'm about to finish off the beat, hot off the meat, because this is not something you eat. I need to fuck my B.I.T. with these shit. Fuck off my dick, cause y'all is blowing shit. I'm out. Get off this, cause I'm about to freestyle. You was never with me, cause you was with me now. Do that make sense? Is it ignorance? I don't give a fuck, cause I'm on the L. We on the L.
Yo, I had to laugh, boy. That shit was crazy. I had to laugh, so that shit was fucking crazy. Nigga said some crazy shit. You already know, Obi, we out.